Imagine weather becoming unpredictable, stronger, and dangerously more destructive worldwide today. Scientists warn that climate change is reshaping Earth's weather systems rapidly. Every year, extreme storms are becoming more frequent and intense globally. Hurricanes now carry more moisture, causing heavier and more damaging rainfall. Heat waves are lasting longer, pushing temperatures beyond historical records everywhere. Floods are occurring in regions that never experienced them before recently. Droughts are intensifying, drying farmland and threatening global food supplies significantly. Wildfires are spreading faster due to hotter, drier atmospheric conditions. Climate change is not future threat, it is happening right now. Oceans are warming, fueling stronger tropical storms and unpredictable cyclone behavior. Weather patterns are shifting, confusing traditional seasonal expectations across continents. Scientists observe jet streams becoming unstable, altering global weather circulation. Storm seasons are becoming longer, increasing exposure to natural disasters yearly. Polar ice melting contributes to rising sea levels and storm surges. Cities near coasts face growing risk from intensified flooding events. Even small temperature increases significantly impact global atmospheric energy balance. Extreme weather events are now linked strongly to greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon pollution traps heat, disrupting Earth's natural climate regulation system. Rainfall patterns are becoming erratic, causing both floods and droughts. Farmers struggle as weather unpredictability destroys crop cycles and harvests. Wildlife habitats are shrinking due to rapid environmental changes globally. Hurricanes gain destructive power from warmer ocean surface temperatures. Tornado activity is shifting geographically, affecting new regions unexpectedly. Heat waves now threaten human health more frequently than ever recorded. Hospitals report rising cases of heat stroke during extreme summer conditions. Infrastructure is failing under pressure from stronger storms and flooding. Roads, bridges, and buildings are increasingly vulnerable to weather extremes. Insurance costs are rising due to frequent climate-related disasters worldwide. Climate change amplifies natural weather cycles into extreme destructive events. Scientists use satellites to track rapid atmospheric temperature increases globally. Arctic warming is twice as fast as the global average rate. This imbalance disrupts wind patterns and ocean currents around Earth. Changing currents influence rainfall distribution across continents unpredictably now. Sea surface warming fuels stronger hurricane formation in tropical regions. Storm intensity, not just frequency, is increasing significantly each decade. Heat trapped in atmosphere increases energy available for storms formation. Extreme rainfall events are becoming more concentrated in shorter periods. Flash floods are now common in urban areas lacking drainage systems. Climate scientists link rising emissions directly to weather extremes increase. Carbon dioxide levels continue rising despite global environmental agreements' efforts. Melting glaciers contribute to freshwater imbalance and sea level rise. Coastal erosion accelerates as stronger waves hit shorelines repeatedly. Desert regions are expanding due to prolonged drought conditions globally. Agricultural zones are shifting northward in many affected countries. Human activities remain major driver of accelerating climate instability worldwide. Fossil fuel burning continues to release heat-trapping gases daily. Extreme weather now costs billions in global economic damages yearly. Communities face displacement after repeated climate disasters destroy homes. Scientists emphasize urgent need for climate adaptation and mitigation strategies. Renewable energy adoption can help reduce future extreme weather risks. Governments are investing in climate-resilient infrastructure for future protection. Early warning systems help reduce casualties during severe weather events. Public awareness about climate risks is increasing slowly but steadily. Education plays a key role in preparing societies for climate change. Global cooperation is essential to reduce emissions and stabilize climate. Without action, extreme weather will continue intensifying in coming decades. Each fraction of temperature increase worsens global weather instability significantly. Climate models predict more frequent heat waves and stronger storms ahead. The connection between emissions and weather extremes is scientifically proven. Every small action towards sustainability helps reduce future climate risks. The planet is sending clear warning signals through extreme weather. Humanity must respond quickly to prevent irreversible climate damage escalation. Future generations depend on decisions made about climate today urgently. Understanding these patterns is first step toward meaningful global change. The hidden danger of climate change continues growing silently each year. What seems like normal weather is now becoming increasingly extreme globally. Scientists are observing patterns that once seemed impossible decades ago. The atmosphere is absorbing more energy than ever before recorded. This extra energy fuels storms, heat waves, and unpredictable climate events. Oceans act like heat batteries, storing and releasing dangerous energy. Warmer seas directly strengthen hurricanes before they reach land areas. Rising temperatures disrupt the balance of Earth's natural climate systems. Small changes in temperature create massive shifts in weather behavior. Communities worldwide are already experiencing consequences of these changes daily. Farmers face uncertainty as rainfall no longer follows predictable seasons. Some regions suffer endless droughts, while others drown in floods. Climate migration is increasing as people leave unsafe living areas. Extreme heat is becoming one of the deadliest weather threats. Power grids fail more often during prolonged heat waves and storms. Cities struggle to adapt infrastructure for new climate realities quickly. Engineers redesign buildings to withstand stronger winds and heavier rains. Governments are forced to rethink disaster response and preparedness strategies. Insurance companies are adjusting policies due to rising climate risks. Scientists warn that future storms may exceed current disaster predictions. Wildlife is forced to migrate or face extinction in changing climates. Ecosystems collapse when temperature and rainfall patterns shift too rapidly. Coral reefs are dying due to warming and ocean acidification. Forests are burning faster than they can naturally recover themselves. Arctic ice loss accelerates global warming through reflective surface reduction. Less ice means more heat absorbed by Earth's surface overall. This creates a feedback loop worsening climate instability each year. Extreme weather is not random, but strongly linked to human activity. Industrial emissions continue driving atmospheric imbalance across the planet system. Scientists use climate models to predict future weather pattern changes. These models consistently show increase in extreme weather frequency worldwide. Preparation and adaptation remain key tools for surviving climate impacts. Renewable energy adoption can significantly slow global warming effects long term. Solar and wind power reduce dependency on fossil fuels greatly. Reducing emissions today directly improves future weather stability outcomes globally. Individual actions like conserving energy also contribute to collective change. Planting trees helps absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere naturally. Sustainable agriculture reduces environmental stress and improves food security systems. Urban planning now includes climate resilience as essential design factor. Flood defenses are being upgraded in vulnerable coastal cities worldwide. Heat-resistant crops are being developed to ensure future food supply. Public awareness campaigns help communities understand climate risks better today. Education empowers younger generations to take climate action seriously early. International agreements aim to limit global temperature rise collectively. However, progress depends on strong political will and cooperation globally. Every year of delay increases severity of future climate disasters. Scientists emphasize urgency because Earth systems are approaching tipping points. Once crossed, these tipping points may cause irreversible climate damage. Extreme rainfall events are expected to increase significantly in coming years. Heat waves will become longer, stronger, and more dangerous to humans. Storms will gain energy faster due to warming ocean temperatures. Sea levels will continue rising, threatening millions in coastal regions. Climate adaptation must become priority for governments and societies worldwide. Technology will play a major role in climate monitoring and prediction. Early warning systems can save countless lives during disasters ahead. Global collaboration is only path toward meaningful climate stabilization future. The science is clear, and evidence is impossible to ignore. Climate change is reshaping Earth's weather in real time today. Humanity stands at a critical turning point in environmental history. Choices made now will define planet's future for centuries ahead. The window for action is narrowing faster than many realize. Extreme weather is a warning sign of deeper planetary imbalance occurring. Understanding climate change helps us prepare for uncertain future conditions. Responsibility lies with every nation, industry, and individual on Earth. the future depends on how we respond to this crisis.